Easy massage is slimming, messing fat burner, body shape care massage, lose weight, body fat device, multi-functional shaping tool. Feature: the snob pad is soft and comfortable, and cloth over the soft and comfortable, so it will not damage the skin during massage. Second, not only can massage the whole body, promote blood circulation, relax muscle, but also accelerate fat movement and get rid of excess fat. The cloth over the detachable, washable, easy to install and clean, safe and sanitary. Ergonomic, ergonomic design, hand shaped grip design, easy to use, not tight after long use, made of high quality ABS material, lightweight, durable, not easy to break, without frequent replacement. Specification: style: EU plug 220 volume, US plug 110 volt. Item type: message slimming machine, material ABS. Thank you for watching.